Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in kitchen gadgets and innovations. Today, we're diving into the ultimate kitchen essential, the best Prepdeck Gen 2. This all-in-one smart cutting board and knife set by AXIOM Creations is revolutionizing meal prep as we know it. Let's take a closer look. The best Prepdeck Gen 2 is not your average cutting board and knife set. It's a game changer for anyone who loves to cook efficiently and safely. With 4 specialized cutting boards and 4 stainless steel knives, this set is designed to streamline your meal prep process. What sets the Prepdeck Gen 2 apart is its smart features. Say goodbye to cross-contamination worries with its color-coded system, ensuring each board is dedicated to specific food types. Plus, the included knives are razor-sharp and ready to tackle any ingredient. But wait, there's more. The Prepdeck Gen 2 goes above and beyond with its self-cleaning and drying capabilities. Utilizing UV sterilization technology, it eliminates harmful bacteria and ensures your cutting boards and knives are always clean and ready for use. Not only is the Prepdeck Gen 2 a kitchen powerhouse, but it also adds a touch of style to your culinary space. Its minimalist design and classy colorways make it a perfect fit for any modern kitchen. So there you have it, folks. The best Prepdeck Gen 2 is a game-changing addition to any kitchen. Say hello to efficient meal prep and goodbye to kitchen clutter with this innovative smart cutting board and knife set. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews of the latest kitchen essentials.